In this chapter, we'll be discussing about educational loans. Educational loans are granted for pursuing higher education in India or abroad. Banks sanction loans for both purposes. Even if you want to study abroad, banks will be given education loans. The courses covered are usually graduation, post-graduation, including regular, technical and professional degrees by various universities. The expenses for which loan will be covered usually will be fees payable to college, examination, library, lab fees, purchase of books, equipment, purchase of computers, caution deposit, travel expenses, all this. So the loan amount will be varying from bank to bank. Usually it's up to a maximum of 10 lakhs for if you want to study in India, and abroad it's usually about a maximum of 20 lakhs. Government encourages educational, so usually up to 7.5 lakhs banks will not insist on any security, just the guarantor. Your parent has to stand as a co-borrower, and also no collateral security or third party guarantee is required. The margin up to 4 lakhs is nil. That means you need not bring in any margin. So up to 4 lakhs, entire 4 lakhs will be given by bank. Above it, they may have some margin like 5% you have to bring in, and they will give say 95%. And also banks will not be usually be charging any processing or upfront fee on education loans. Repayment will commence 1 year after completion, of course. That's the usual practice. And loans can be allowed up to repayment period up to 15 years after commencement of repayment. So during this period, during this holiday period, that's the moratorium period, the interest will be added to the interest will be added to the principal, okay, and correspondingly the EMI will be fixed. So usually banks will be insisting on documents like letter of admission, the application form you have to give, passport photographs, statement of cost of study, PAN card, Aadhaar card, this identity and address proofs, student co-borrower or guarantor's bank account statement, IT returns of the parent, assets and liability of the parents, and proof of income. Okay. So in this chapter, the question to be prepared: what are the expenses usually covered under education loans? What is the amount out of which security is not insisted for education loans? Again, this varies from bank to bank. Just look at it. And what are some documents banks insist for education loans?